afternoon to the community of divisions around the world. You are welcome once again. I am Olorunluwayinde, one of the many voices of TVs and also an economic developer in the community. Yeah, on this short studio, give yourself to training. I just want to do this short broadcast to encourage all divisions in the house. Firstly, for as many who are broadcasters meeting will start by 2 p.m. Give yourself to training. Come on board. Let us learn from our Hebrew army. And let us learn and also from other leaders in the community. Come on board to the broadcasters meeting and learn. Furthermore, we have the weekly meeting by 3 p.m. West African time. Come on board. Come and learn. There are a lot of things that we've been discussing in all these meetings. Wonderful, beautiful things that develop us mentally, economically, and in every area. So come on board. Furthermore, also by 4 p.m. also. Yeah, we are having the mass adoption training. Wow, such a wonder. We started this mass adoption training for over a year ago, and it has always been unique and wonderful. Give yourself to training. Yes, enough training to make $1,000 per week. Many of us are attaining that. Yes, guys. So I urge you, don't relent. Give yourself to training. Come on board to all this training and learn more and get on board. Do that well, it's well with you. So I look forward to see you in the meeting. God bless you. Like, share, and subscribe.